Hi, welcome to Aimco Manufacturing. Here we have a magnet tool used to pick up brake rotor castings rated at 100 pounds. This magnet tool is suspended by a Vaculex tube lifter, and it also has a safety switch incorporated with the off, so you're unable to release the part if it's in the air. I'll show you how this works. You'll gently press this trigger in for the down motion. Toggle the switch on to turn the magnet on. As soon as the magnet turns on, you'll see the green light come on. When you release the vertical lever, the part will go up. And if you depress the lever in, you get your downward motion. So again, the magnet off does not work unless you fully set the weight of the part down and release all of the air in the vacuum tube. So by pulling the trigger all the way in, pressing the off button, you'll then turn the magnet off, as you'll see there, and then you can release the part that way. This tube lifter is suspended by our vacuum jib. This gives us 360 degrees of rotation, allows the operator to reach anywhere they'd like to in the cell. We can have a 8-foot reach all the way up to a 15-foot reach on the vacuum jib. This tool does have a disconnect feature. If you wanted to change out to a different style tool, you're able to do so. You can release the air lines here. This quick disconnects. And rotate the quick disconnect here to disconnect the tool. In the case of a loss of air or loss of power, the magnet will still hold and the tube will gently relax, so the part will never immediately drop. I'll indicate that for you here, so we'll turn it off and it will slowly release the part down until it rests on a supporting surface. Well, thanks for watching. Please visit aimcomfg.com for more product videos. Thank you.